Namaste, I'm Jyoti. I'm the founder director of Ajanta Vihara Institute of Spiritual Sciences. Once again, I'm back with energy updates for new moon, Amavasya, as we refer to it in Hindi or Sanskrit in India. Amavasya or new moon is the time when you can't see moon in the sky, night sky. Right now, is that the only thing why it is important? No. Anywhere in the world you go, any study you pick up, you will find out that during this time, water bodies contract, water bodies shrink, water bodies go back. Like for example, if you go and stand on a beach, you will find beach being visible much more on new moon, on Amavasya, because the water has receded back. Compared to that, if you were to go and stand on the same beach during the full moon time, you will see the water rising and high tide will happen, and maybe half of your beach or the full of your beach will disappear for that time. That is how powerful the frequencies, in the environmental, the moon frequencies, the moon energies impact the water body. We are about 80 to 85% water. In fact, in our phase 4 stage of water, we are 96%. How is it possible that the water will not impact us? The water in our body also recedes. The water in our body also contracts during the new moon, during the Amavasya. So it is very, very important for you during this time to focus on a lot of water consumption. A little bit, and now I'm going to speak in Hindi. अमावस्या के समय आपका पानी जो है वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है, श्रिंक होता है, डिहाइड्रेशन होता है आपकी बॉडी में. जितना ज़्यादा पानी पिएंगे उतना आपका बॉडी में वाटर लेवल बना रहेगा, डिजीज़ कम होंगी, हेडेक्स कम होंगे, गुस्सा कम आएगा, नेगेटिविटी कम होगी, डिप्रेशन कम होगा. द मोर यू कंज्यूम वाटर, you will realize during this time that the water balance in your body, in terms of emotions, in terms of your mood, will be much more stable. So if you are feeling, say, be mindful, about your moods, what you're experiencing, what kind of temperament you're carrying around that, what are your thoughts around that time. If you can be mindful of that, then allow yourself to disintegrate. What is being mindful? When you are aware and you have an intention to not get stuck there, and consciously release it. So if you're experiencing all that you need to do is take some water and talk to the water and say, I would like this to be flushed out. Drink a lot of water during this time, 3 days prior to new moon and 3 days post new moon. Keep drinking lots and lots of water, and keep telling your water to flush out all the emotional toxins that you are experiencing. There is a possibility you might have a complete dip during new moon. In fact, nowadays you have lunar diets based on how your body responds or reacts to lunar cycle, because it's studies are showing that you can actually even reduce your weight based on the lunar cycle. A lot of people experience a lot of bloating around new moon, and a lot of people also experience a lot of bloating around full moon. Different reasons, of course. Those who are experiencing bloating around the new moon are experiencing bloating because a lot of dense, dark, stagnant energy needs to be released, and because the person is not addressing these feelings are suppressed. These feelings are creating almost like, building like a fermentation into the water, like how something gets fermented and starts rising. So the water starts to get fermented because all those stagnant energies are moving inside, and because you're not addressing it, you're not allowing yourself to be in that feeling. Maybe you're not even aware consciously of it, but all those suppressed trauma, unresolved emotions are fermenting inside, and that causes the bloating. While during the full moon, the bloating essentially happens because whatever was down has been churned and is now ready to be thrown out. So if you are experiencing bloating around new moon, it is time for you to understand your body is saying, hey, deal with this, don't ignore it, don't be in denial, time for you to sit down and address what is it that you're feeling. You don't even have to identify anything, find the root cause or source. You just have to talk to your body and say, hey, you know what, whatever this is, it's done with. I am letting go of all my attachment to it, and I want to set myself free. I command all my chakras, I command my body, I command the water in my body to disintegrate all these emotional toxins, unresolved trauma, unprocessed emotions, and release it from my body. And keep drinking water. And for full moon, of course, you do it in a different way. We'll talk about it in one of the full moon videos. So this new moon, keep doing this and help yourself in the water becoming less and less fermented, more and more clear. Because if you start this process now, by full moon you are ready to release everything, because the moment you address, the moment you allow yourself to be in that feeling, the churning starts happening. And as the churning starts happening, by full moon you're ready to throw it all out and cleanse yourself. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon. Till then, love and light.